I think uh, giving you my thoughts on now is probably what I call a magic move. That means an extremely powerful option, to assure patient happiness and satisfaction, which is what we all want. We call that the same dress effect. It's completely underestimated. It's something that we encourage patients to do for a while, and it's so endlessly effective that we wanted to share this with a little bit more depth. Especially what we do, which is body contouring, usually with buttock reshaping, you have a couple of wonderful effects. That means you have an extreme reshaping result. Patients get a very, very different shape depending on preconditions, of course. You have overall a very high index of satisfaction. It's a bit of a lifestyle surgery. It really changes, patients' overall perception of themselves quite a lot. But of course, such extremely transforming surgeries can attract a little bit of the wrong attention. And there's a few things I think you have to bear in mind and I think with the current social media blast, as nice as that may be, sometimes I think it's more and more challenging for us, to keep our patients aware and make them differentiate between a posed and a neutral picture. So people put themselves in the best light with great underwear. They put the hips into kinky angles, to appear more impressive. Good thing, but you have to be aware of the difference. I think a specific problem of what we do most, which is BBL surgery, is the high people get when they see themselves super swollen in the mirror, and then of course that doesn't stay exactly like this. So you have a little bit of the danger that in the end of the process, patients may be, let's say, a little bit lukewarm with a really good result, because they just remember that extremely swollen look and the same effect you can get when somebody sets their eye on, a specific person, maybe a very public person, and they see, look, for example, we've operated on them, or they come from somewhere else, and this is what I want, this is what I want to look like. And that can, in selected cases, of course, personality dependent, be a little bit problematic. So I think I always want patients to see this with the surgeon's eyes before you go in, because we've got very robust and solid parameters how we judge the results, which is waist to hip ratio from the front, from the back, and the so-called projection index. Here you see the examples. I think all of my patients have seen that probably 10 times, but I think you can't show it often enough. This is our proof of work. This is what we set out to do, rather than, of course, hunt some subjective ideal. We want to provide for our patients, a robust proof of performance. And I think to make this more satisfactory for patients, what we've turned on to do is really ask patients to say, look, take a picture in a specific outfit, a jeans, a dress, a legging, what you want, something that you like, and of course shows the form of your body before versus after surgery. Make sure it's the same outfit, it's the same light, and it's the same angle. That is so important for satisfaction of each patient, and I think that gives you or enables you to set yourself a really workable goal, and something that you achieve, or where you say, look, you can get the best version of yourself. And the effects of these can be extremely impressive. Last not least, for the patient themselves, when they see themselves in the same outfit, I think, it really helps everybody to see and appreciate what they have achieved. So, to get the maximum satisfaction, it's not only depending on the surgery, but, to have a good and ambitious, a very ambitious, high goal, but something that is within the reach of your anatomy, which corresponds, to your individual personality and shape, and that's better than idealizing somebody else. And I think the own comparative is the best target to achieve maximum satisfaction. And I think this helps to explain why it's so important. And we ask every patient, take a picture in your favorite outfit before and take a comparative in your favorite outfit afterwards. And this is a very, very good and valuable pearl to maintain your satisfaction index very high.